Hi, it's May 22nd, 2011. Alexa's 5 months and 2 weeks, and we are feeding her rice cereal for the first time right now. Let's see how it goes. Ready? Ready? Open wide. How do you like it? How do you like it? How do you like it? So far, so good. How do you like it? It's your first time eating solid food. Whoa. I think we have an eater on our hands. Hey, how is that? Let's tell everyone why we start. Because you've been eyeing our food, right? And you've been sticking out your tongue when we eat. How is it? I think she likes it. Yeah. You big girl? Are you a big girl? How do you like it? Yeah, you like it. How do you like it, pretty? Want to take a break?
She's like, finally.
She's been waiting for this moment for 5 months. How do you like it? Is it delicious? Is it delicious? You are acting wonderful. You are being such a good girl. What is this? You're like, wait, this is not a bottle with formula. What is this? Hi, Mama. How do you like it? Ah, the choo-choo train is coming into the tracks. How do you like it? Is it delicious? God, she's never been so quiet. You're like, bottle or food? Bottle or food? How is it? How is it? She seems to be liking it. What is that, a no more? Excuse me, I need a burp. Excuse me, I need a burp. You're like, what is this, Mama?
This is a very serene moment for Missy over here.
I'm not used to this.
Yeah, hi, boobs. That was good, huh? Oh, or not.
Oh, Daddy, I don't know if I like this.
Well, at least you're cleaning your own.
You like it? What do you think?
Okay, Missy. All right, we love you. Good job.
Wait. One more? Maybe I'm not doing fast enough?
No, you're doing it fast enough.
Okay.